Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look into the oxygen requirement. Oxygen requirement and of bacteria. So first is we move on to the obligate. So what is the obligate aerobes? So under obligate aerobes, the feature is it always requires oxygen for their growth. So it is always requiring the oxygen for their growth and cannot ferment or respire anaerobically. So examples, it includes the M. tuberculosis. Then it also includes the Bacillus species, Legionella bordetella, and also the Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Next we move on to the obligate anaerobes. So in case of obligate anaerobes, it cannot grow in presence of the oxygen. So can't grow in presence of oxygen, as most of them do not have a superoxide dismutase as well as the catalase. So the examples here, it includes the Clostridium species as well as the bacteroids. So then we move on to the microaerophilic. So in case of microaerophilic, it requires a small amount of oxygen, and that is about 2 to 10% for aerobic respiration, and higher oxygen concentrations are inhibitory. So the examples here, it includes the H. pylori, Campylobacter, jejuni, as well as the M. bovis. So all these are examples. H. pylori, Campylobacter, jejuni, as well as the M. bovis. Next, moving on to the facultative. So facultative anaerobe. So facultative anaerobe can grow aerobically or it can grow anaerobically. So it is based on the surrounding environment. The next is the examples, the many organisms including the enteric gram-negative bacteria, the S. aureus. So S. aureus is present, as well as the VC, there is a Vibrio cholerae. Next we move on to the aerotolerant. So when you look at aerotolerant, they are indifferent to oxygen, indifferent to the oxygen. So they are indifferent to oxygen, they are basically anaerobic organisms but can tolerate the oxygen. So the examples here is the Peptococcus, anaerobius, as well as the Lactobacillus. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.